In this video, we're going to just take a look at some high-level multi-dimensional array slicing in Numpy. So let's move over to our workspace and take a look at some array creation functions in Numpy. First off, we have three that I selected here. This one will create an array of initializing of all zeros. This will take a range and create a one-dimensional array. And this one is probably the most used. It will take a list and cast it into an array. Here's some attribute functions. Here are properties to tell you the item size, how many elements there are. This one, the shape, is it a 2x3, 3x4, etc. And this one, dimensions. Is it a 1-dimension, 2-dimension, or 3-dimension? So let's take a look at some code and some pictures that match up with it. This is our list. We cast into an array. We print it out. It looks like this. Pictorially, it would look like this over here. Let me move out of the way a little bit here. And you can see the 0 axis right here. It stacks. Stacks, and these are the bottom, and that's the 1. Okay, so what's next? We have a 3x3 matrix, and we extract the first 2 rows. Right? We use this will return a slice of 0 and 1, 0 row, 1 row, and all of it. So it looks like that. We print it. It looks like this. Pretty straightforward. This is a little more complicated because we're going to do our array creation with a range. So we'll have 8 elements, 1 through 8, and we'll reshape it into a 3-dimensional array. Right? So it looks like this now, and we're returning a slice of each. Oh, all of it, right? So it's an entire copy, and it prints out. It looks like this. What else? Okay, we're going to slice the second matrix in this one, right? Second matrix right here. Pictorially, it looks like this, and to get that result, we're slicing the second matrix because we use 1 and then everything. Okay, here we're going to slice the second row of each matrix, right? Second row, this row, and this row of the matrix. So we want a copy of everything. Second row is indexed with 1 and a copy of everything. Print it out, it looks like this. And we got the slice of the second column of each matrix, right? So this column right here is what we want. And this is how we get it, right? This colon and a 1. So the only way to really get your head around this is to practice. So let's look at some practice functions here. Some 3D slicing practice. Here we have a multi-dimensional list that we cast into a Numpy array. And what are we going to do first? First, we're going to extract the first matrix by slicing. First matrix as 0, right? And we want all of it. That matrix right there. So colon and colon returns everything. That one was easy, right? Let's do something a little more tricky. We're going to extract the third column of the second matrix. Third column, second matrix. So that's this matrix, and it's this column. It'll be 11 and 15. And this is not what we want, right? We've extracted all of it. What we need is to move this 1 over here. So swap colon with the 1. And what does that do? That does it, because that's what we want. Second matrix, the 11 and the 15. See how it's tricky, and just a little change gives you entirely different return values. What you have to do, if you really want to get your head around it, is just pop open the interpreter and practice. I think I got one more here. Yeah, we're going to do the second row of each matrix by slice. Second row, each matrix. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. And 13, 14, 15, 16 we want. And you see, this is not right. We want the second row of each matrix. So we want all of it here. And we want a 1 there, second row, and all of it there, right? Yep, and that does it. Okay, so that's all I got. And if you got anything out of that, give the video a thumbs up. Have a good time out there. Stay safe. Try to do better in the next one. Thanks for watching.